Okay, I have seen a lot of freelancers that are using Craiglist as a job hunting website. Okay, there are a lot of jobs posted on this, and if in your country Craiglist is available, you can go ahead and search your jobs over here. Okay, so right now I have opened this Phoenix city, I guess. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my tag UI designer and press enter, and you can see over here this page pops up, and I can go from here and choose the jobs, and you can see how it is going to search all the jobs in this area. You can see UI UX designer, on site, graphic designer, interactive, WordPress web designer. Okay, so also there is a guy who is expert in doing jobs on Craigslist, so you can check out this article. I'm going to share the link for this article. There are a lot of tips on what you are going to search and how you are going to search, like telecommute. Okay, so it means that you are remote and you are going to do some remote job over here. Internship, non-profit, so there are different filters over here. Also, he said that you should not apply on jobs where the dollar sign, a lot of dollar signs, so it is a bit spammy. Okay, so avoid spammy titles. So this is how you select your area. Let's search some jobs in New York City. Craiglist.org, and I'm going to search some jobs, UI designer. Let's search some jobs over here and go for jobs, and it is going to list a lot of jobs over here. Okay, so we have like 10 maybe 15 jobs over here. So this is how you find, you can click over here telecommute, and you can see I have one job where I can remotely work over here. Okay, so if you are based in New York City, then I think it's not a very big problem. You can go ahead and go to that website, or sorry, that company site or that job location, and do that job over here. Okay, so this is how you are going to find and jobs, freelance jobs or permanent jobs or contract based jobs or internship on Craigslist. Okay, so this is all about Craigslist. So let's move on to the next lesson.